What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I am so excited. I have a new series that I'm going to be starting here on the channel called Make It Black Owned. That title is, it's not final yet. If you can think of something better or you don't like it and you have suggestions, let me know in the comments. I am all ears. We all been shopping a lot on Instagram in 2020. Let's just keep it real. But I have just been so intentional to just shop at Black owned businesses. The products are so good and they're so unique and so well made, and ooh, I can't wait to share with you guys some of the things that I've gotten, that I've found. A lot of times I'll just happen to come across them. Many times I'll notice like a comment under one of my photos or videos, and it's someone from my community that just happens to have a business, and I'll just go find something that I like there. So I try to share some of the things that I buy in my Instagram stories, but I'm just finicky with Instagram stories. Either I'm like all in or I'm like all out and disappearing for like 2 weeks. I'm an introvert. And I'm a Capricorn. That's just how I am. So I figured that this would be a really cool idea to share the products that I've been buying, maybe do a review if I've already been using them, or a first impression if it's something that I just picked up. I'm so excited because I feel like you're gonna find a ton of Black owned businesses to shop from, and I'm gonna discover new Black owned businesses, and it will help the businesses as well get more discovery, which is like a win-win for everybody. And the businesses won't always be about hair. They can be about everything from hair stuff to like candles and home decor, bags, clothing, everything. So if you guys are excited about this series, just give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. If you have any brands that you think that I should go check out. If you are somebody from my community that owns a business, just put it in the comments below and I will check it out as well. Look, I have to pace myself. I am not made of money. Let's be clear. It's not going to be a shop-a-palooza. I might send out a specific email address for you guys to contact me if you want me to check out your Black owned business. If I do, it will be in the description box below and or on screen. If I don't, then you won't see the sale. Okay, moving on. Everything in these videos will be purchased by me or has been purchased by me with my own dollars. When I choose to support a business, I like to actually spend my money to support the business, put my money where my mouth is. I don't like to ask them to send me stuff. So everything has been purchased by me or will be purchased by me in these videos. It also gives me a chance to, check out their customer service and shipping and all that, and just get a better, well-rounded view about the business itself. And the businesses have no clue that I'm even shopping their site unless they see my name pop up or something like that. But it's not like a collab or something where I, contact the business to let them know. Sometimes I do, sometimes if they're like a friend of a friend. Most of the time the businesses don't even know that I'm purchasing from them. So I think that that's really great. Just gives it a little bit more anonymity and, just makes it more realistic and true to the experience. So today's company I'm really excited about. It's very unique and it's called the Lazy Hat. So I came across this company when I posted a reel or something on my Instagram, and somebody commented, and I noticed the picture was like a business and it was called like the Lazy Hat, and I was like, what is that? I was like, okay, let me just click on it and see. And I was like, oh my god, this is so amazing. Let me go get your Lazy Hat. Hold on. I've never heard of these before, but this is like freaking genius. So what this is for those days when you just are having a bad hair day. Maybe you just don't want to do your hair. For me, I was thinking in the morning times when I'm rushing to get the kids to school. So you just don't really feel like being seen by anybody. Well, then you just grab the Lazy Hat. And this, this is the Lazy Hat. It is a baseball cap with hair attached to it. I know. Is this not the craziest thing you've ever seen? I freaking love it! When I purchased, they had two different styles of hair. They have like a wavy hair and a straight hair. And my favorite is the wavy hair. So I have kind of a big head, so I had to expand the hat just a little bit. And if you guys are interested in how I did that, let me know below and I will show you how I did that in another video, because I do have to expand the straight hair hat. You can make the hat bigger and smaller in the back with this little guy, and then you can just tuck it in like that. The only thing I do have to do is go in and style the hair just a little bit more, just because it's a little silkier than I would naturally be used to. I am so used to my type 4 natural hair that I just feel a little bit uncomfortable with super straight hair. I don't wear wigs and stuff, so I don't really know how to rock that yet. But this is such a great option for those of us who maybe don't really know a lot about wigs. We're not in that realm of hair sorcery yet. So you just grab your Lazy Hat and you put it on. You're running late, you gotta go somewhere, and you are instantly a baddie. Who are you? Baddie. Okay, look how cute. Yes! yes, Lazy Hat. I think this is so awesome. Yes, yes, honey, working everything. So I have to get my hair really flat because number one, I have a gigantic head and I have a lot of hair. Put it like that and then drop it on. This is how it looks in the back. See? I feel like a lot of girls do this already. When they put their wigs on and they don't have time to style the front, they just put a hat on top or like a headband or something. Ugh, I love it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be styling mine. I'm gonna put it in like a flexi rod or perm rod so it gets really tight. I'm gonna dip it in hot water and then I'm just gonna brush it out so it's kind of like fro-y, because I think this is a little too long for me and I just want it to have a little bit more of an afro-y state. Don't worry, I'm looking at the road while I film this. One thing that I noticed that I never liked about wigs, I have tried to wear them before, and I wore one wig out in public once before. I just felt really weird in it because it felt like I was wearing a hat. Like it feels like a wig feels like a hair hat. This one feels a little bit more comforting because it actually is a hat. I'm down with the wig hat. Like I really like the wig hat. It's nice. If you are somebody who is really feels uncomfortable wearing a wig out of the house like me, this is a great gateway. I haven't a scrunchie pulled back. Just give you the update, bye! This one is the blowout hair. Oh, you know what? And I didn't stretch this out, so this one's gonna be a little too tight. Oh God. Oh no, it's not actually. The first time I tried it, my hair was in twists, so I'm sure the twist added a little bit more bulk. Oh, you guys, you finally got the silk press that you've been asking me to do. If you ever want to know what I look like with relaxed hair, here you are. Either I'm gonna style this or I'm gonna cut it into a bob. Again, it's a little bit too much hair for me, so maybe I'll like bob it. So it's like this, like that, you know? Yes. The co-founder's name is Jade. She is a beautiful Black woman. And I'm gonna put the information for the Lazy Hat in the description below so you guys can check them out. And if you go to their Instagram or anything, let them know that Nap sent you. Nap85 sent me, girl. I put the straight Lazy Hat on Olivia and she fell in love with her image. I was like, get out of here. I just snatched that thing off her head so fast. I got scared for a minute. I thought she was about to like go and cut off her curls and like, cause you know, growing up, we all did the towel on our head situation. I want to be a Barbie. I was like, what did I do? Why did I put this hat on her? Because she was looking in the mirror with her straight hair and she was like, and I was like, no. If she wants to straighten her hair, I'm okay with it. I'm just saying I didn't want to start something in her that maybe wasn't there before. But anyway, this is the Lazy Hat. Super exciting. Let me know if you guys like this series. Again, all the information for the Lazy Hat is going to be in the description below. If you guys want to watch me style these hat wigs, let me know in the comments below. And also if you want to see how I expand the hat to make it fit over my bigger head, let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.